Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Amazon payment services to Odoo accounting. This integration can help you manage online payment processing through your Odoo environment while keeping your payment and accounting workflow connected in one system. We'll walk through the setup process together in a simple and practical way, so you can get this payment provider connected inside your Odoo system. This is a fairly quick configuration, but it's important to enter the details carefully so everything works correctly once the provider is enabled. Before starting, make sure you have access to both your Odoo administrator account and your Amazon Payment Services merchant account. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and click on the Accounting app. This is where payment-related settings are managed, including the providers you can connect your accounting and payment flows. Depending on your Odoo version and installed applications, some payment settings may also appear under the website, invoicing, or e-commerce areas. But the accounting app is the main place to begin for this setup. Once you're inside the accounting area, go to the top left and click Configuration. This section contains the main setup options for accounting features. So if you're looking for payment integrations, this is the right place to be. You may need administrator or accounting manager permissions to access these settings. So check your user permissions if the configuration menu is not visible. From the configuration menu, select Payment Providers. On this page, you'll see the available providers that can be installed and configured for use in your Odoo environment. This area allows you to review which providers are active, disabled, in test mode, or still waiting to be configured. Look for Amazon Payment Services in the list. If it hasn't been installed yet, click Install. Odoo will then add the integration, so you can begin setting it up. Allow the installation process to finish before opening the provider settings, and refresh the page if the provider does not appear immediately. After the installation is complete, open the Amazon Payment Services provider settings. This is where you'll enter the credentials required to connect your account. You'll need to fill in details such as the merchant identifier, access code, request phrase, and response phrase, along with any other required credentials shown in the form. These credentials allow Odoo and Amazon Payment Services to communicate securely and verify payment requests and responses. Make sure you copy these values exactly as provided in your Amazon Payment Services account, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. For example, an incorrect access code, missing character, or mismatched request phrase may cause transactions to fail or prevent the provider from being activated successfully. As you complete the settings, take a moment to review everything before moving on. It's always a good idea to double-check that each credential is in the correct field and that there are no extra spaces when pasting values. Accuracy here helps avoid setup issues later. You should also confirm that you are using credentials from the correct environment, because test credentials and live credentials are normally different. Once the credentials are entered, enable the provider. Turning it on makes the integration active in Odoo, allowing Amazon Payment Services to be used with your accounting setup. After that, your connection is ready to go. If a test mode option is available, it is a good idea to complete a test transaction before accepting real customer payments. This helps you confirm that the payment page loads correctly, the transaction is processed, and the payment status is returned to Odoo. And that's it. As you can see, connecting Amazon Payment Services to Odoo accounting is a straightforward process. Open the accounting app, go to Configuration, select Payment Providers, install Amazon Payment Services, enter the required credentials, and enable the provider. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have everything connected smoothly. Before launching the integration for customers, verify the payment methods, supported currencies, transaction status updates, and checkout experience to make sure the full payment flow is working as expected.